Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn delete contacts via Node.js in the CRM Zoho. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So we are going to get the function only, that is delete contact by ID. So very easy and the very simple. So here we have to send the ID for that one. Okay, and this would be a delete one. Okay, so let's copy this function, go to our code base. Okay, so here I'm going to just comment this one. I'm going to use the contact ID for this. Okay, so I don't need to use it here because I already have the contact ID, right? Okay, fine. So here we have the access token, right? So Zoho domain, let me just word wrap this. It's already word wrapped. So delete. So what domains CRM v2 contacts access token. Okay, we have to pass the param IDs. So can be multiple by comma separated, right? Then contact deleted else the message. Okay, and here we have to pass our ID. So this contact I'm going to delete it. I think this one. Chris, this one. If I delete it, if I, you can see that I can reload it, the data will be coming, right? If I delete it, it will not. Let's run this and delete it. Let's reload it. This action cannot be performed. The record you are trying to access has been deleted. To restore access, remove the record from the recycle bin. If I go to the recycle bin, so here we have that record. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, so this is how you can delete a record in the from the contacts in CRM via Node.js. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.